What up, perfect fam? Alright, I got an E36 318i 97 with the M44 engine, and I had the problem of it would crank but won't start. And I changed the fuel pump at first, thought it was fuel pump, changed relays, changed the fuse, and I changed my crank position sensor. That didn't work. I even wired another common to my relay. I got a new computer, and I changed my DME relay to nothing. I still got nothing. And with all that, it didn't crank. And today, this is my last thing. I don't know if you'll see, but these two wires, I guess, goes to the security chip for the key, and my body module didn't read it. I jiggled those two wires. I just barely tapped them, and it started right up. I can even cut it off and cut it back on, but it had been down for 2 weeks and I wasn't getting nothing. So you probably run into that same problem, but this was my solution. Like I said, I changed the crank position sensor, fuel pump relays, the computer, everything. So to stop you out from all that hassle, that's the main thing that you should try. Just take off this cover, because this cover is this little plastic cover, and that under here, and just try to wiggle those wires and see what it do. If it do something, you definitely know that's probably a problem. It's definitely different videos on a EWS bypass. That's what I read. I might end up doing that now, but I was down for like 2 weeks. So just check that out, see if that works, and I hope that helps.